Power target trades, power trigger trade.
Powerful video here. Pay attention to this video. This is to help those serious for success. Listen, if you can't make smart decisions, you're not going to succeed in the markets. And I have skill up the wazoo. All right then, let me show you what we did. Okay, on March the 5th, here Tesla, here's a new plan, 11:49 a.m. We are in a bounce zone. That can happen anytime. Going to buy these calls in the plan here is what we're going to do. So I posted a plan as the market was trading at 11:49 a.m. as you can see, March the 5th. Power trade. Okay then. So let's see what I said. I'm going to click in here. Pay attention. Because you're going to see what a crystal ball action technology that I have. It's almost like crystal ball. We had to really grind, but we won. Like I always said, we do year after year when you grind with skill. It's simple as follow the instructions that I preach and teach. You can't do it better than Power Trade. So let's see what I said, and let's see what happened. Now, we already banked some great games, but let me show you, we had to do this twice. Let me show you, you're gonna see something incredible. Okay, so here it is. Tesla in a strong bounce zone. We can buy the March 12 670 calls if this can reclaim above 573. Targets back to 780. I understand where we could go back. Pay attention. Because my channel is gold of videos of showing how I get us winning over and over again, solving problems. This was a massive fear I did this. Not baby. Well, any position, if it's following my rules, I have the keys to make the dollar bills with skills. Okay. So, Tesla in a strong bounce zone. We can buy the March. So at the time, those March 12 670 calls, $633. Targets back to, okay. So then, let's go into the group. See, only those who smart enough to grind with skill can do well. See, you can be led by it doesn't matter. The skill involved, even if I tell you step by step, if you're not grinding with skill year round, you will not possess the power to make giant gains in the market like we did with GME. Again, study my channel. Power trade. All right then. So low risk here, if we can confirm. So let me see. We made money in Caterpillar and everything else. We're gonna. That's all I had is in Caterpillar and thing. We sold out of Caterpillar today. Went into new calls. I'm gonna show you the whole story. Power trade. Okay then. So Tesla low risk right here. Low risk, high reward here. If it can confirm hitting the numbers today. Buy stops can be set at 7. Okay, so long story short, people. Tesla, we can move by. So we got in. Let me see what I moved again. Our options. Okay, so we got in. Now we got in and we started making money in those Tesla calls. However, I'm going to show you some powerful grinding with skills because I support the group because I want to make those dollar bills with skills just like you. Listen to me. Only 2 plans I focused on: Caterpillar and Tesla. In this game, all winning, all wins. Capiche? Okay then. So anyways, we got into those calls, but we ran into some problems. You can see March 12th, we ran into some problems. And I'm going to show you what real skill is all about, okay? Because we were losing. Let me show you. So anyways, long story short, let me get to today, okay? Let me get to today. Give me a second here. All right, so here's March the 8th. Now, I want to share with you, people, for those serious for success. We were losing in Tesla. Listen to what I said here. Tesla, nice bounce before 550, but key pivot is 557 now. And yes, we bounced. That options now are 265. Listen to me carefully. We were in these options, okay, on the March the 8th. We were in profits almost 80%, and they went against us from $700 from our entry point down to, you could see, into the 200 area. But I told us we need to hold. Look, in this case, I actually moved stops to 120. Look what I said to do. Now, I'm going to show you what those options did, but I moved this into different options that are already banked. So pay attention, because this is skill you do not have. I have the skill. Okay then. Vision, skill, understanding that the Tesla was pulled back for wrong reasons. And I have powerful keys on making money. I've killed it in Tesla year after year after year. You do not have these skills, and if you want to be able to grow, you want to follow. But we ground, and this is look at this. So we were holding our Tesla. Okay. Long story short, I recommended we hold, because as long as Tesla held it, and then what happened? Let's take a look here. Tesla, tomorrow we will get our answer, but I have a plan to really put us forward. Something, a very new and adapt. Okay, so that's exactly what we did anyways. Okay. So let me go to, so here it is, 11 hours it sees, because I'm making this video now 7 p.m. on March the 9th. Okay, so 11 hours, which is sometime yesterday, well, in the morning. See, Tesla pre-market is up well over 597. Key level to get above 5. Okay, basically I told the key level, listen, no one will give you the instructions, the mindset, the vision to win like I do. And I'm going to demonstrate how much we're going to win. Let me show you some more information here. Give me a second here. So basically, I got us out of the March 12 670 calls, although those made killer money. Let me show you what I did here. 1 second here. Okay, so you can see it says 8 hours because that's 8 hours ago, right? Okay, I suggest we sell our March 12 670 calls so basically I decided to get us out. I sold them my 12 options, 1K gains, small gains for Tesla, and then I made a new plan. So long story short, we made small gains. Now we were in losses. For me personally, I was in about a 3K loss, but we only lose if we get stopped out for the wrong reasons. And we held with skill, ended up making 4K. 1K gain, but if I would have sold when I wasn't supposed to sold, and that's what a lot of people have a problem doing. They don't know how to hold. You know, there's a song, gotta know when to hold them, when to fold them, when to walk away, you understand? Okay, so listen. Tesla, here is a new plan making us, so we got out of Tesla. Here is a new plan making us better to win from that problem we had. Stock very bullish here. And these are great options to get into now. So let's see what I said. So you can see here, it was around 10:50 a.m. when I made the chart. See March 09. See these March 19 700 calls? They were $1,162. $1,162 per option. Now, Tesla set up the test back to 800 from here. The March 19 700 calls is what we will use. Tesla, a break over 635, and we will enter into this. Now, we actually paid more. We paid around the 638 area. I want to show you what we did. Pay attention! All right then. Tesla buy stops can be set at 1450 now for the March 19 700 calls. Step by step. Okay, buy stops will trigger at 630, 66. Okay. Which I prefer. All right, so now, Tesla, confirming with the March 19 700 calls at 1475. Long story short, we already banked 50% at 2850. I'm going to show you where the options close. I want you to pay attention. All right then. You can see some updates. Tesla, the March 19 700 calls are now at 2440 for Tesla, as it is now at 663, at $663. Now I'm up 10.2K. While options, standard for power trade. Okay then. We would look to bank 90 to 100. So that's what we did, okay? Today at 28 or 29, I banked at 28 and a half. So 50% Tesla, and these went higher than that, had a high of 30. By the way, pre-market, after hours, assuming, stay tuned for part 2 of this plan. Power ticker trade, study, pay attention. I grind with skill. I called, but we were in a powerful pivot zone. Power ticker trade. Plan step by step. I make us win. You do not have these skills. I have these skills. Comprende? All right then. All right, people. So you can see Tesla closed today at 673 in the fire, in the so-called reversal play. I got us in. We were losing. Listen to me. We were losing, but I said to the group, we need to hold via the rules. And instead of losing, we won. Because I have massive skill. It's okay to lose for the right reasons, but for the wrong, no. It's unacceptable to power trick or trade. I grind with skill year after year after year. I have skill, you do not. Okay then, so you follow my instructions, your pocket's fat. You don't follow my, you don't grind year round, no pockets for you. Okay then. See the March 19,700 calls, they closed at $2,600. Where did we get in at? You saw 1,400 and was 1,470. 1,470. And by the way, pre-market, I seen it was in the 687 area. Stay tuned for part 2 of this video. But let me show you the options chart to show you the facts. This is March 19, but let's take a look at the March 12, 670 calls. Look what they are. Closed at $2,440. Do you understand? Vision. I grind with skill, unlike anyone else out there, with via options, weekly options. We don't trade nothing but weekly option Tesla. I am the Tesla option master. Power ticker trade. All right, this is an options chart for Tesla, the March 21, 19 calls. Yesterday, these were 425. Today, 30.50 high. See that? Look at the high over there, 30.50. Okay, remember, I banked at 28.50. These went as high as 30.50. We're holding runners though. Holding runners, they closed at 26. Comprende? Do you understand? All right, these are the March 12, 670 calls, okay? So you can see these hit a low of 1.94. I had my stops at 1. Yes, I bought these at 700, okay? I bought these at 700, okay? As you can see, the high was 1235 here. You see, look, open, 675. High, 1235. I said to the group, we have to hold this. And we held. We made money. We sold out of these, though, by the way, at $800 to $900 per option. We bought the March 19, 700 calls. I wanted to give us more time, but I want to show you what these options did. So they went of a low of 270 to show you the power of my vision and direction, understanding real direction. Study my YouTube channel hard if you're serious for success. All right then, welcome to Power Trick or Trade. Confirmation is key. See over here is a pinned tweet. Study that video. Follow the instructions in the video if you want to get into my group. If not, you're not getting into my group. Listen to me. Most people are destined for failure. You do not have the aptitude to succeed. You are too donkey. Even if the best guides you step by step. I can only help those serious for success. Listen to me. I'm going to the moon. You can come to the moon. I'm giving you an opportunity of a lifetime. Follow the instructions. Clown. Okay then. Understand that you have this problem, mental problems. You. I have the skill. I have documented videos on my YouTube channel to help people because I know they're donkey dum-dums. I got the skill. And those who grind with me, they make dollar bills. I changed their life, but most people are too stupid to follow instructions. Power to trade. Click here to my YouTube channel. Right over here's the link. Pay attention. Right here, welcome to Power Target Trades. Listen to me, people. To my YouTube channel. Listen to me. Study these videos. Look at these. Tesla, GME, Tesla. You follow? Do you think we win for no reasons? History. 2K to 27K. 700 to 10K option gain wins. This one here could be a 10,000K, 10K per option winner. We have runners right now. We can't lose. We're gonna get max gains. I have the pledge, the technology, the skill to bring you to another level. But you must grind with skill. Power trigger trade. At the end of the video, you're gonna see this icon. Simply click on it. It's gonna give you an easy way to subscribe. Power trigger trade. You watch how we rise and rise and rise, and you can stay small and baby donkey because I have the skill and you do not. I am the Tesla spy. I killed it in Apple, Jimmy. You just name it. Power trigger trade. I keep us tight and small. I put us in the best, highest odds, and I grind with skill. I give the tons of support, up to date. There's no one who does it or could do it like me. Option sniper. All those who follow it, I have the skill. You are nothing. Power to trade. Don't forget to like the video.